Hey y'all, I'm back. So I went in the kitchen. I don't know. I went in the kitchen, right? And somebody had been stealing cupcakes. Now, I didn't know who it was, and I asked. But then when I looked at them, I figured, well, I bet I know who it was that was stealing the cupcakes. And let me see if y'all can figure it out too. Come here, Cree. Come here, Cree. So I'm just hold on. I'm just gonna show y'all them real quick. Stand right here. Stand right here. Who stole the cupcake? Was it Cree?
No.
Or was it Nari?
No. Yes. Nice.
You stole the cupcake, huh?
Still cooking, huh?
What'd you say, Cree?
Cooking, huh?
She stole the cupcake, huh? And then you also stole my water. That's my water in your hand.
Fish.
Nari, go on, little girl. Here, let me open your water. Well, my water. Y'all, what I'm gonna do with her? What am I gonna do with Nari? What am I gonna do with Nari? What am I gonna do with Nari? And I'm just gonna show y'all Cree. I don't even know how to. Let me see. I don't know how to flip my camera. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna. Y'all. I gotta catch it. He running around trying to put a shoe on her head. Cree. Get the shoe off my baby head, please. And then it's my crock at that. Y'all, they be doing too much. But I just wanted to show y'all that we had a cupcake thief on the loose. Come here. And she don't even care. She don't even care. Girl, get the cupcake up. I'm dropping it on the floor and everything. Y'all, but one more thing. So, I was playing around in my hair. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with my hair, y'all. My hair is a journey. I don't know what to do with it. So, I was twisting it. I was playing around in it. What y'all think? Should I go all the way? Should I twist it all up? Should I go all the way? Or should I just, not this particular style because my hair is just doing whatever right now. But just like, should I just leave it down? Just like my hair, or twist it up? Tell me something. Give me some opinions. What should I do? Nari straight. No, man. Y'all probably didn't even hear. Nope. Give it back. That's mine. Trying to steal my stuff. Why you steal that cupcake? Why'd you steal that cupcake?
I know.
Nari. No, stop. Thank you.
Who pop a balloon? It's you.
I didn't pop no balloon.
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You know how when your kids just be kidding and then sometimes you just don't even know what to say. You just gotta let your kids be kids sometimes. I'm just gonna show y'all what she's doing in the kitchen. She's stealing again. You caught. Don't look sad. Get down. Put the fruit snacks back. Put the fruit snacks back. Y'all, our pantry can't ever stay organized because they keep coming in here, stealing stuff, taking stuff, and it just never stay organized. They be climbing like it's a jungle gym. What should I do? Give me some tips on how can I lock it down to where they can't get into it, because they learn how to get into everything. Move, Nori. Move. Go to your side. Y'all, but I ain't gonna lie. Today is a straight boring day. Today is so boring, and it feels good outside. It's just that it's so windy, so I can't really take my kids nowhere because my baby, I don't want her to get all that wind and dirt and stuff in her face. And then Nari is just allergic to all outside, like literally every tree, grass, dirt, dust. She allergic to it all. Cree has asthma, but he's fine. His allergies flare up, but not as bad as me and Nari's. But how's y'all day going? Comment down below. How is y'all day going? Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I just had to randomly throw that in there. Like, share, subscribe, comment, engage with me. I engage back. Just have to throw that in there. How old are y'all kids? What's the age gaps? Because my son is 4, my daughter is 2, she's about to be 3, and then Nova is 6 months. So they're like back to back. My babies are back to back. It's like I had the same baby 3 times. They all look just alike. What about y'all families? What's the situation with y'all kids? How old are y'all kids? How many kids y'all got? How was life with y'all? How was motherhood? How was fatherhood? Talk to me. I'll talk back the best I can anyway. I'm probably about to I can't even say feed them. They actually just ate a pizza. Probably just chill. Today is chill day. Nova's asleep, so I'm actually gonna try to enjoy this little time while she is sleeping, and just chill with my oldest 2 babies. So yeah, I'll probably be back later. Yeah.